Hi, this is Doug Risher with Premier Sotheby's International Realty, and today I'd like to welcome you to Vanderbilt Reserve. Vanderbilt Reserve is a new community located off Vanderbilt Beach Road near Collier Blvd. It's a very exciting community offering British West Indies style collection of townhomes. It has 5 open floor plan models to choose from, including 3 with first floor master suites and 2-car garages. The amenities include a modern lakefront clubhouse, lifestyle pool, state-of-the-art fitness center. It's developed by the Sobel company, a family-owned and operated home builder for over the last 60 years. And the standard features include 9-foot ceilings, granite countertops, GE stainless steel appliances, Carrier air conditioning, and smart home features. It's currently under construction right now and taking reservations, and contracts will start in July. So get registered now, and we'll show you how to get your closing costs paid for free. The 3 and 4 bedroom townhouses are starting out at $299,900. It's located within the Gulf Coast High School District. So for more information, call or text me. I'm at 239-825-3696. I'm Doug Risher with Premier Sotheby's International Realty.